या व्हिडिओमध्ये तुमचं सर्वांचं स्वागत. आपण मागच्या लेक्चरला द रेशिओ ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स ह्या प्रॉपर्टी भेटल्या होत्या बघा. तीन प्रॉपर्टी भेटल्या होत्या. वन a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 into h1 upon b2 into h2 for any two triangles. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 when heights are equal. a1 upon a2 is equal to h1 upon h2 when bases are equal. And with this property we can prove very important theorem, that is the basic proportionality theorem. तुम्हाला 10th स्टँडर्ड मध्ये मेनली 5 थेरम आहेत. टोटल 5 मेनली थेरम्स आहेत. ते ज्यांचे प्रूफ बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेला विचारले जातात. त्यातला तुमचा फर्स्ट थेरम, पहिला जो थेरम आहे तो म्हणजे बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनॅलिटी थेरम. बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनॅलिटी थेरम स्टेटमेंट कसं आहे? इफ अ लाइन parallel to one side of triangle intersects the remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides the side in the same proportion. Now see, to prove theorem, see the statement. Now statement is in conditional form. In conditional form means it is in the form of if and then. See here, if is there, then is there. When the statement is in the form of if and then, we can say it is a conditional statement. And in conditional statement, the statement follows if is called antecedent, or that is the given part or given condition. And statement follows then is called as a consequent, that is to proven part. Now see, from given part we have to draw figure. If a line parallel to one side of triangle, so we have drawn a triangle ABC, one triangle. One side, if a line parallel to one side of triangle, line parallel. Now see, we have drawn line L parallel to BC. One side of triangle intersects the remaining sides. Now which are the remaining sides? One is AB and AC. In remaining sides in two distinct points, that is the given part. So in given you have to write up to this. If the statement between if and then. So in given, in triangle ABC, we have taken line L, this line L parallel to one side, that is BC, intersects the remaining sides. The remaining sides AB and AC intersects sides AB and AC in two distinct points. Those are P and Q. At points P and Q respectively. That is a given part is over. Now, after they, that is proven part, the line divides the side in the same proportion. Now, this line divide AB and AC. AB in two segments. One is AP, second one is PB, and AC to AQ and QC. Now, this line divide these two sides in the same proportion, means in equal ratio. In 9th standard you have seen A, B, C, D are called in proportion when A upon B is equal to C upon D. Means these numbers are in same proportion. See, two ratios are equal, then we can say these numbers are in proportion. Similarly, AP1 segment, see here, AP1 segment has A, PP second segment, AQ third segment, QC fourth segment. These are in proportion when AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC, just like A upon B is equal to C upon D. So, to prove AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. That is our closed part. Now, since this is application of ratio of areas, it was a हा रेशो ऑफ एरियाचा ऍप्लिकेशन आहे म्हणजे आपण हा थेरम प्रूव्ह करताना रेशो ऑफ एरियाचा वापर करणार म्हणजे आपल्याला ट्रायंगल मिळाले पाहिजे. सी फर्स्ट रेशो इज AP अपॉन PB. आता मला असे दोन ट्रायंगल मिळवायचे की ज्या दोन ट्रायंगलच्या एरियाचा रेशो AP अपॉन PB मिळाला पाहिजे. असे दोन ट्रायंगल मिळवायचे. पुन्हा मला असे दोन ट्रायंगल मिळवायचे की ज्यांचा एरियाचा रेशो AQ अपॉन QC मिळाला पाहिजे. आता बघा AP साठी आपण ट्रायंगल बघूया. APQ. Now APQ triangle, AP side is there. Means for AP we have triangle APQ. Now for PB, see for PB there is no triangle, so we have to construct. If we join PQ, now see for PB we have triangle BPQ. Means for AP APQ, for PB BPQ. We have two triangles and we have to take ratio of these two triangles. Now see APQ and BPQ we have to use out of these three formula. आम्हाला तीन पैकी फॉर्म्युला यूज केला पाहिजे. मग आपण कंडिशन कोणती अवेलेबल आहे ते बघूया. सी इफ AP as a base taken, AP as a base, then height from opposite vertex, that is Q, so height is this is the height for base AP. आपल्या एरिया काढला पाहिजे तर बेस आणि हाईट माहिती पाहिजे. AP बेस घेतला तर हाईट येणार QP येणार. आपण आता सेकंड ट्रायंगल जो घेतला होता PB साठी तो कोणता येणार बघा BPQ. फॉर BPQ जर PB बेस घेतला तर मग अपोजिट व्होल्टेज तुमचा येणार Q येणार. त्यातून परपेंडिकुलर सेगमेंट तो आहे. सो PB opposite voltage Q and from Q perpendicular segment is same. Means AP base height, PB base same height. Means here these two triangles have same height. So we can use that second formula A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 because these two triangles have same base. So in proof triangle see APQ and triangle BPQ have same height. Therefore, A1 upon A2, A1 means area of triangle APQ, first triangle, upon area of triangle, second we have taken BPQ, is equal to AP upon PB. This is equation number 1. And areas proportional to their bases. Areas proportional to bases. That is the reason. Now we get here 1 AP upon PB. To find triangle for base PB, we join DQ. So in construction, join sec BQ. Now, similarly, we have to find second ratio AQ upon QC. For AQ, we take triangle AQP. AQP, we can take AQ as a base, height from P. See, AQ as a base, height from P. And for CQ or QC, we will join say PC or CP. That is the construction. Now, for AQ, we have triangle AQP, base AQ, height from P. Next, for QC, we have a triangle CQP. In CQP, CQ is the base, remaining vertex P, from P perpendicular segment same, means AQ base, height from P. QC is the base, height from P. So AQP and CQP, these two triangles are again same height. Triangle AQP and triangle CQP have same height. Therefore, again with same height, so we can use A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, means ratio of area is equal to ratio of bases. So area of triangle AQP upon area of triangle CQP is equal to AQ upon QC. Same reason here. Give number 2, areas proportional to bases. Now see, first statement, second statement, our aim is find AP upon PB is equal to AP upon QC. We have to show these two ratios are equal. These two are, see, we have to show AP upon PB is equal to AP upon QC. In two equation, here these two are the RHS. We have to show RHS are equal. RHS are equal is possible with LHS are equal. म्हणजे आपण जर हे दोन LHS इक्वल दाखवू शकलो तर आपण काय म्हणू शकतो RHS इक्वल. आता हे दोन इक्वल आहेत का आपण चेक करूया. सी एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल APQ एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल AQP सेम ट्रायंगल, सो एरिया सेम. म्हणजे आपल्याला दोन्ही रेशोचा फर्स्ट टर्म सेम आहे. जर दोन्ही रेशोचा फर्स्ट टर्म सेम असेल आणि सेकंड टर्म सुद्धा जर सेम असेल तर आपण काय म्हणू शकतो these two ratios are equal. If these two are equal, then these two are equal. So we have to check whether these second terms are equal. Now see, area of triangle BPQ. Next, area of triangle CQP. CQP. Now BPQ and CQP, these two triangles are between parallel lines. See, BC parallel to L, and these two triangles are between parallel lines, means perpendicular distance between them will be same, equal. So their heights must be equal. For this, you have to take base as PQ. Suppose BPQ, समजा तुम्ही PQ बेस घेतला तर हाईट कुठून येणार बघा, B मधून येणार. ती कशी येणार आहे? परपेंडिकुलर. For BPQ, PQ base height. For CQP, आपण याला H1 घेऊया. For CQP, if PP is the base height from C, त्याला आपण H2 घेऊया. H1 and H2, these are the perpendicular distance between these two parallel lines. म्हणजे हाईट सेम झाली, हाईट इक्वल झाली, आणि दोघांचा आपण बेस काय घेतला? सेम घेतला. जर दोघांचा बेस सेम आहे, हाईट सेम आहे, तर त्यांचा रेशो किती येणार? 1, means they have equal area. म्हणजे या दोन ट्रायंगलचा एरिया इक्वल आहे. आणि याचा एक्सप्लेनेशन आपण मागच्या लेक्चरमध्ये बघितलेलं आहे. So triangle BPQ and triangle CQP have base PQ. See, have base PQ means common zala. Next, and equal heights. Equal heights का, since they are between parallel lines. Since they are between parallel lines. then आपल्याला काय भेटेल बघा, therefore area of triangle APQ, area of triangle BPQ is equal to area of triangle CQP. Give reason number 3. Statement number 3. Now proceed 1, 2, 3. First term of two ratios are same. Second term same. We have written in third. So from 1 to 3 we can write, therefore area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle BPQ is equal to area of triangle AQP upon area of triangle CQP. From 1, 2 and 3. And now LHS are equal, so RHS are equal. So fifth statement here, AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Error is from 1 to from 1 end. वन टू मध्ये LHS इक्वल आपण इथे लिहिले तर वेगळं येणार RHS इक्वल. फ्रॉम 1 टू इथे 4 दिला तरी चालतं, आपण 7.4 देऊया. फ्रॉम 1 टू and बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनॅलिटी थेरम. सिंपल स्टेटमेंट, फक्त 5 तुम्हाला इक्वेशन्स आहेत, 5 स्टेटमेंट आहेत. त्यामुळे हा थेरम तुमचा पहिलाच आपण याला स्टार थेरम म्हणूया. स्टार थेरम नंबर 1. टोटल तुम्हाला 5 थेरम्स आहेत. हा थेरम्स क्लिअर करायचा आणि याच्यावर आता पुढे तुम्हाला आणखी 2 थेरम प्रूव्ह करायचे, ते आपण पुढच्या लेक्चरमध्ये पाहूया. We have seen basic proportionality theorem, that is BPT theorem. In a triangle, if a line is parallel to one side of triangle, that is line L parallel to BC, intersect other two sides in two distinct points, that is side AB at P and AC at Q, then the line divide those sides in same proportion, that is AP upon PB is equal to AK upon QC. In short, if L parallel to BC, then we can write AP upon PB is equal to AK upon QC. That is the BPT theorem. Now we will see converse of BPT. In converse, we will change the position of given and to prove. Now see, in triangle ABC, if a line divides two sides of triangle in the same proportion, means if AP upon PB is equal to AK upon QC, then that line is parallel to third side. आता इथे काय झालं बघा, जे मगाशी गिवन होतं L पॅरलल टू BC, ते आता टू प्रूव्ह झालं आहे. अँड जे मगाशी टू प्रूव्ह होतं AP अपॉन PB इज इक्वल टू AK अपॉन QC, ते आता गिवन झालं. म्हणजे आता आपल्याला स्टेटमेंट कसं येणार बघा, इफ अ लाईन divides two sides of triangle in the same proportion, then that line is parallel to third side. Now given in a triangle ABC, line L intersect AB and AC at points P and Q respectively, and AP upon PB is equal to AK upon QC, that is the given, then that line is parallel to third side, means AP upon means line L is parallel to side BC, that is we have to prove. आता याचा प्रूफ तुम्हाला नाही आहे, कारण कॉन्व्हर्स हा प्रूफ जनरली विचारला जात नाही. आपण याच्यानंतर या दोन्ही थेरम्सवरची एक्झाम्पल पाहणार आहोत. आता आपण या एक्झाम्पलचे 2 एक्झाम्पल्स बघूया. If L parallel to BC, AP 9 cm or AP is equal to 9, PB is equal to 12, AQ is equal to 12, find QC. This is the question. L parallel to side BC, that is the given. You have to find QC. See here, L parallel to BC, this is the given. Line L divides these two sides in proportion. 4 segments are formed. Out of 4, 1, 2, 3 are given. You have to find fourth one. So in triangle ABC, L parallel to BC, that is the condition. This is the condition. So we can write AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. We have to give reason. Basic proportionality theorem. This is the short form of basic proportionality theorem. Now substitute the value. 9 upon 12 is equal to 12 upon QC by cross multiplying. Therefore, 9QC is equal to 12 into 12, that is 144, and therefore QC is equal to 144 upon 9, and therefore QC is equal to 9 16 16 9 144. So QC is equal to 16 unit. This is a simple question based on BPT. Next, AP10, AQ12, PB15, QC18. Question is state whether PQ or line L parallel to side BC. That is the question. Now तुम्हाला आता पॅरलल आहे का चेक करायचंय. ट्रायंगल बघत आहे, तुम्हाला लाईन एक पॅरलल टू बीसी दिलेली आहे, म्हणजे इथे तुम्हाला कॉन्व्हर्स ऑफ बीपीटी वापरायचं आहे. कॉन्व्हर्स ऑफ बीपीटी काय सांगतो, इफ अ लाईन डिवाइड्स टू साइड्स इन सेम प्रोपोर्शन. सी लाईन एल AB आणि AC ला जर तिने सेम प्रोपोर्शन मध्ये इक्वल रेशो डिवाइड केलं तर आपण काय म्हणणार, यस L parallel to BC. So we have to check whether those ratios are equal. So we will first find ratio AP upon PB. Substitute the value 10 upon 15 is equal to 2 upon 3. 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15. 2 upon 3. This is 1. Now take second ratio AQ upon QC is equal to 12 upon 18 is equal to 6 to the 6 3 the number 2. See, first ratio has value 2 upon 3, second has value 2 upon 3, means these two ratios are equal. So we write conclusion in triangle ABC AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC from 1 and 2. Therefore, see, these two ratios are equal, means side L divides these two sides in same proportion. So line L parallel to side BC give the result converse of BPT. These are the simple question based on BPT and converse of BPT. या टाइपचे आपल्याला मॅक्झिमम एक्झाम्पल याचा आपण वापर अनेक एक्झाम्पल मध्ये करणार आहोत. तर आपण इथे तर थांबूया. पुढच्या लेक्चरला आपण अँगल बायसेक्टर प्रॉपर्टी, जी आपला स्टार थेरम नंबर 2, एक बीपीटी, दुसरा आपला स्टार थेरम आहे अँगल बायसेक्टर, तो आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला घेऊया.